And we're back to learning Affinity in a year day 44. Let me show you how you can create a diamond shape. We have a diamond tool right here. If you right click on this box where you can see the rectangle tool, you can easily select it. You can also left click and then select it by shape. We can freeform drag it or hold shift while we do. When you hold shift, it locks the aspect ratio, so width and height will be the same. You might ask yourself, well, what's the difference, for example, to a rectangle that we rotate then? In principle, that's also diamond. Let me hold shift while I drag this rectangle. I rotate it, holding shift, and you can see it exactly looks the same as a diamond that I've created holding shift. Well, the difference can be seen above. When you use the diamond tool, you actually get this midpoint adjustment, and this allows you to reposition the spikes, let's call them that. And you cannot do that with the rectangle tool directly. And if I rotate this 90 degrees, you can see the midpoint can also be adjusted horizontally instead of vertically. So that's the advantage of that tool compared to the rectangle tool. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.